Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Soul Tribe, welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your international life coach, a tarot and oracle card reader, an energy healer, and now a podcast host. For this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of May. This is for my dear Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest to generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. I got there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Virgo as your rising/ascendant sign, this is your reading. Because based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Virgo, let's have you your angel number. Might be there is a certain message that you needed to know with this particular angel number. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Virgo. Oops. So we have 2, 3, 8, and 2. Kindly go to Google search engine and search angel number 2382. Might be there is a message for you there, my dear Virgo. So you might be seeing a lot of 23, 23, 222, 22, 333, 33, 88, and 888 as a confirmation of this particular message. So might be that is the usual angel number that you had been seeing as a certain sign for you for this particular reading. So let's proceed on getting to know first what is the general energies or the theme of your life for the month of May, my dear Virgo. What is the energies? What will be the theme of the month of May for my dear Virgos? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be the theme? So we have here the 12th house. So with the 12th house, my dear Virgo, this is the area of your life that is overwhelming. You yield to a greater cause or power. So with the 12th house, it's all about the certain traumas or issues that you are needing to address. What are the lessons that you are needing to learn? So with the 12th house kasi, other than the certain area of your life that would be overwhelming you, there are lessons for you to learn. So this particular house speaks about kung ano yung kailangan mong matutunan, what are the lessons that you needed to learn from every obstacles and challenges that you are encountering in your life. So meaning to say, my dear Virgo, this month of May, you will be learning a lot. It's either by career, you are entering a new era of your life wherein you are enrolling yourself to different webinars, different courses, or other than that, sa lahat na na-experience mo, with everything that you are going to experience in your life for the month of May, there are lessons for you to learn. It's either those certain things that you are meant to experience is either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So that is the energy of your month of May for you, my dear Virgo. Wherein, this is a time for you to celebrate yourself, celebrate your wins, appreciate your journey, appreciate your progress, and your growth as a certain individual. It's time for you to be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. And also, stop comparing yourself to others. Might be, my dear Virgo, you are looking into other people's progress, ano na ba yung kanilang status, what are their certain gains, what are their certain growth so far. So it's time for you to focus on you rather than making them as your certain goal or certain measurement of your value and your worth as a certain individual. Mag-focus ka sa kung ano yung meron ka. Try to be grateful, thankful, contented of what you currently have, who you are, what you can offer. Might be the obstacles that you are needing to face, my dear Virgo, is putting in the work. or you might be too perfectionist. You are having this certain imposter syndrome that you needed to do something to achieve more. So might be you are not contented. You wanted more of those certain things. So and also that is the reason why you are neglecting to be appreciative and try to recognize ano na ba yung naging progress mo. So you are too much making things perfect to make it fall into place na maging sang-ayon sa'yo ang mga bagay-bagay. So, it's an obstacle. So, it's okay to put in the work, but not only making things work in the external, but also doing the inner work. For some of you, you are focusing on yourself, focusing on your work, rather than doing the inner work, addressing what are the certain traumas and issues that you needed to heal from. Wherein, this is the obstacles that you needed to overcome. So, it's time for you to address what are the certain traumas and issues na kailangan mong ayusin within yourself kasi you are too focused on making situations to be in favor sa'yo. You're trying to fix everyone around you, trying to fix the situation, your career, your finances, your love life, but you are not doing the inner work. You are just focused on the external. And it's time for you to address them. What are the certain traumas and issues that you needed to address? Wherein those certain traumas and issues are the ones influencing or affecting how you handle your love life, your career, and your finances. Ano ba yung mga traumas and issues? What are the traumas and issues? If you came from a broken family, separated parents, coming from a toxic and abusive relationship, you come from a toxic environment, had a lot of chaos, a dysfunctional family, those certain experiences influence how you handle your situations or your life in general. My dear Virgo, it's time for you to address them. Kasi if you will not be addressing them, you will be bringing those certain traumas and issues in every situations in your life. And it will be influencing kung ano man yung magiging relationship natin with people around us, particularly with our career, with our finances, and our love life, and also the relationship that we have with ourselves. So let's clarify, what is the Three of Cups? What are the things that you needed to be grateful, my dear Virgo? Angel, Spirit, Universe. So, might be you had been focusing on giving away all of your time, love, and effort to everyone else. And other than that, you are anticipating the reciprocation, the same efforts na binigay mo in situation, love life, career, you are expecting it from other people. And that is the reason why you end up being betrayed, being deprived, being deceived kasi those certain efforts, love, care, value, respect that you had given to people, situation, were not reciprocated. And now you feel like you had been deceived by people around you, that you had been betrayed. Kasi you had been giving away all of your time, love, and effort, energy to everyone around you other than yourself. So, with regards to the Three of Cups, might be you are too focused on your friends and your family na nakakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo to celebrate yourself, to be grateful, to be thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. And that is the reason why you end up getting deceived, getting cheated, kasi nga you are focusing on other people around you. So it's time for you to find stability and security within yourself by being confident, contented, of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. Stop seeking validation from other people around you, my dear Virgo, kasi it's not their obligation to love you, to respect you, and to value you. It's your obligation to yourself. So, with the Eight of Pentacles, why is this your obstacle? Why is this your obstacle, my dear Virgo? Kasi nga, you are imbalanced. So, with the Temperance, kaya maaring there had been a pause, a breakup, a turmoil, a challenges, a setback that took place. Kasi this is a certain time for you to come to realization that you need to put yourself first. You need to do the inner work. Kasi might be for some of you, you are keeping yourself preoccupied so that you will not be addressing what are the things that you needed to pay attention to. What are the things that you needed to heal from. So, you are focusing on your work, trying to be the best person in the room, na nakakalimutan mo that you also need to address certain things within yourself na hindi mo ina-address. You are neglecting to address. So, let's get more of the details. with the Eight of Pentacles. Please get more of the details. So it's time for you to find peace, harmony, balance within yourself. Find the soulmate within you. Kasi at the end of the day, my dear Virgo, the love that you're looking for is found within you by the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. The happiness that you are seeking is found within you as well. The way that you will be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, and what you currently have. And you are your first soulmate. You had to be the first one to like, love, accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror. So the way that you are treating yourself, my dear Virgo, is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So if you have been focusing yourself in putting the work in seeking validation, approval from situations and people around you, you are telling the universe that you are neglecting yourself. So you are prioritizing other people. You are giving them an example on how to do it to others, but not to you. Because the way that you are treating yourself, that is how you're going to be treated by people and circumstances around you. So, what is the Seven of Wands? What are the obstacles? Healing, journey, as I've said. So, it's time for you to focus on your healing. Kasi you are disregarding the certain things that needs your attention, that needs for you to heal. So, if you had certain traumas and issues that you needed to heal from, it's time for you to do the inner work, my dear Virgo. For some of you, if you are having a hard time doing this certain inner work, I suggest you seek professional help like going to a doctor, a therapist, a counselor, or hiring a life coach that will be guiding you in this certain journey. Kasi starting your healing journey, lalo na if this is a very traumatic experience, a very deep wounded trauma and issue, I suggest you seek professional help for this certain situation. If you are not, kumbaga parang if you are not ready or you are having a hard time addressing this, this is the time for you to seek professional help. And it's time for you to celebrate yourself with the Three of Cups and the Three of Cups here, meaning to say it's time for you to be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, and what you currently have. Stop comparing yourself to others, my dear Virgo. Stop looking into other people's progress. Don't make it as your basis of the growth and expansion na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Kasi the more that you are putting other people as your goal, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied if you weren't able to achieve kung ano man yung na-achieve nila. So, don't put them as the standard on what is the progress and growth that you want for yourself, my dear Virgo. Okay, what is the energies for your career, your work life, business life? What are the energies that you will be anticipating, my dear Virgo? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what are the energies for my dear Virgo's career, work life? So, 10 of Wands, you are carrying a lot of obligation, my dear Virgo. When it comes to your financial, or with your career, you feel like you are obligated to do something and it burdens you. Meron kang mga certain things that you are making it your obligation, wherein it's not your obligation to do so. So, it's time for you to sort out what are the things that needs your attention at ano yung mga bagay-bagay that you are not obligated to do so. Kasi you might be carrying too much. You make it a point na ako, I'll do it. You are the ako factor. Thinking by doing that, you will be appreciated, you will be recognized, you will be celebrated. And that is the reason why you end up getting deceived, getting betrayed, getting cheated, because you put all of your effort, time, energy to doing things for other people, tapos you are not highly appreciated, you are not recognized for that. So this is the time for you to contemplate, my dear Virgo, what are the certain obligation na you are carrying that is not part of the duties and responsibilities na dapat mong gawin. And you are carrying it as a burden and it burdens you kasi nga you feel like you need to do it so. Kasi you are kumbaga, you don't want to feel ashamed, you don't want to be judged by other people, and that is the reason why it burdens you kasi you feel like it's your obligation to do so, to please other people around you. What is your obstacle when it comes to your career? So, your obstacle is addressing them. So, it's time for you to address what are the certain things na hindi mo naman obligation. What are the certain things that it's not part of your duties and responsibilities that you are feeling obligated to do so. Kasi that is the reason why you end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied, getting betrayed, getting deceived. Kasi nga, you carry a burden that is not meant to be yours. So it's time for you to address them. My dear Virgo, ano ba yung mga burdens that you had been carrying that is not part of your duties and responsibilities? So for your financial situation, it's time for you to get a hold of your finances with the Queen of Pentacles. Be mindful of your spending, my dear Virgo. So kung makikita mo siya, she is holding her coin. So meaning to say, it's time for you to focus on you, eyes on you, rather than trying to spend all of your time, your money, to everything around you, thinking that you are in the scarcity mindset. It's time for you to bring balance to yourself. It's time for you to be strategic when it comes to handling your finances, my dear Virgo. What is your obstacle when it comes to your financial situation? What is your obstacle? Dwelling on the negativity, fear, doubts, anxiety, feeling that you are not worthy, feeling that you will be criticized, feeling that you will be judged with your certain decisions and your actions. Kasi nga, probably for some of you, you are a breadwinner. Might be you are having doubts in saving some for yourself kasi might be you will be thought of as being selfish pag hindi ka nagbigay to other people around you. Wherein, in reality, it's okay to put yourself first. Kasi at the end of the day, the love that you're looking for is found within you. By the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. The happiness, contentment that you are looking for is found within you. You had to be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, and what you currently have. And your first soulmate is you. You have to be the first one to like, love, accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. So, kasi at the end of the day, pag tumanda ka, walang ibang pwedeng mag-alaga sa'yo. It's no one's obligation to take care of you but yourself. So, it's time for you to leave some for yourself. Don't get lost along the process of trying to please other people around you, my dear Virgo. Okay? So, let's see what is the energies for your love life, relationship, soulmate, twin flame, boyfriend, girlfriend, marriage, self-love, self-care, healing journey. Kasi ang relationship is not only with other people around you, but also your relationship with yourself, my dear Virgo. What are the energies? So, Wheel of Fortune, change. You had been doing cycles. You had been encountering a lot of patterns when it comes to your love life. If you keep repeating the same kind of situation, issues, trials and obstacles, meaning to say you haven't learned the lessons. But if you wanted your situations to change, kung gusto mo magbago yung situation ng love life mo, yung career mo, your finances, the change that you want should start within you by changing the way that you think, the way that you see things, and the way you speak. Kasi that becomes your reality. If the key to a healthy relationship, my dear Virgo, is not only establishing or creating a relationship with other people, but also creating a healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. So, world card, as I've said, you are making other people your world. Where in reality, for some of you, you had made your person your world. Ginawa mong buong mundo mo yung person mo, umikot yung buong buhay mo with your person, and you're forgetting about yourself. Okay? So, it's time for you to have your own world outside of the relationship. Kasi the key to a healthy relationship, as I've said, it's not only establishing the relationship between you and your person or other people around you. It's also establishing that kind of relationship towards yourself. As I've said earlier, the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So, it's time for you to be mindful, my dear Virgo. How have you been treating yourself? Paano mo ba tinatrato yung sarili mo? Are you treating yourself with kindness, love, and compassion? Or are you being hard on yourself? Okay? So, let's get you your oracle guidance, my dear Virgo. So, co-create. You are the creator of your reality. So, as I've said earlier, the way that you think, the way that you imagine, the way that you speak, that becomes your reality. So, it's time for you to be mindful. Where have you been putting all of your time, love, and energy? or yung efforts mo, kasi that is what you are attracting in your reality. If you're focusing on the missed opportunities, things that didn't go your way, that is the kind of energy that will be coming your way. So instead of focusing on the what ifs, the negativity, the fear, the doubts, the anxiety, it's time for you to shift your mindset by thinking of the possible opportunities or the possible solutions. So unfinished cycle, as I've said, so you had been in cycles when it comes to your relationships. So, nagiging pattern na siya, nagiging paulit-ulit na, nagiging repetitive na, my dear Virgo. It's time for you to find time to step back, to see the bigger picture on why things are currently happening. So, it's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, what are the patterns that you had been repeating when it comes to your career, your finances, and your love life? So, it's time for you to address them kasi hanggat hindi mo ginagawa yon, until you address them, you will be stuck in a certain loop or cycle. So, let's get your angel messages, my dear Virgo. What is the angel messages for my dear Virgo, please? So your angel messages, we have here 24. You have a heart of gold and are very skilled at maintaining balance, stable relationships. You are loyal to your loved ones and are able to be the nurturer, protector, and provider all at once. I am generous. So it's time for you to be generous to yourself first. So other than giving away all of your time, love, and energy to everyone around you, it's time for you to put yourself first, because the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from people around you, not the other way around. Okay? So, okay lang naman maging generous. It's okay to be generous of your time, love, effort, energy to other people, but make it a point. You put yourself first other than other people around you. So, let's get you your affirmation, my dear Virgo. Wow! So, we had 2 affirmation. So, I am unstoppable. My dreams are possible. And I am forgiving, healing, and finding a peaceful path moving forward. For you to move forward in life, my dear Virgo, you had to be able to forgive the people who have hurt you, forgive the situation that caused you pain, and also forgive yourself. But if forgiveness cannot be given, the only thing that you can do is to take the insight, take the learnings, and apply the necessary changes in the now. Okay? So, acceptance is the key kung hindi mo kaya mag-forgive. Okay, so this is what I got for you, my dear Virgo. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. If you wanted to avail my services, tarot reading, coaching program, message me on Instagram or Facebook page, Coach Ana Santiago or Soul Tribe PH, Tarot for tarot reading services, coach for coaching program. Or you can go directly sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!